Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will update Ubud area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. If you want to know how look like the situation at the moment in Ubud area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will update Ubud area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Now we are in Raya Ubud Street. You see the weather? It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear today. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you want to support the channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because I believe there are more than million people missing Bali. So today on 19th of August, I will show you how look like Ubud area during the pandemic corona. You see left side and right side? There is some shop is already open. I guess like in Ubud it's get busier now than before. Than last month. Okay, from Raya Ubud we turn left and now we are in Hanuman Street. There is some shops still closed actually. But if you see on the sidewalk, there is no people. Not tourists walk around on the street because usually in this area, a lot of shop. You see right side? All the shop is closed. Oh, so sad. So that's why usually in this area on the sidewalks, always busy because a lot of shop and restaurant in this area. But today, there's very quiet. See, just no people walk around on the sidewalk. Oh, the shop, right side, left side, that's still closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Actually, this happening already more than 1 year since the pandemic corona happening in the world. Right side? Shop still closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay, you see the left side? There is village temple. Decoration is very beautiful here. Actually, in Ubud it's just very small town, but it's very famous. Do you know why? Because in Ubud area there is a lot of artists living here. And in Bali they have 3 art very high, very famous. The first is carving. So Balinese carving on the stone, on the wood, even on the bone of animal. Number 2 is painting. So a lot of painter living in Ubud. And number 3 is dancing. And in Ubud is very famous because a lot of artists live in here. So a lot of carver, dancer and painter. Okay guys, from the Hanuman Street we turn right and then we will explore Monkey Forest Street. Now we are in Monkey Forest Street. Left side, right side, the shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Just look very quiet. Unusual. Oh, there is a tourist right side. Happy to see that actually. And left side there is the entrance to go to the monkey forest. It looks very green, isn't it? Actually, in this area, sometimes there is a lot of monkey going outside from the jungle. You see at the front left side? There is the monkey forest. Oh, I see the monkey here. You see? Two monkey at the front. It's very cute, isn't it? And you can see the forest here. It's very beautiful. A lot of big trees here and very old. And also in the monkey forest, we have rainforest. It's very beautiful. There is monkey at the front. You see the right side? There is the tourist. Take a photo for monkey. So that's very cute. Left side is monkey forest. And right side, there is the shop. But all the shop is closed. You see? Right side? Oh my god, this is very sad. Also you can see left side, there is the shop. All the shop closed here. It's very bad. And usually before the pandemic corona, a lot of car and motorbike just parking beside the road. But now, just quiet. You see the shop? Oh, there's a tourist walk on the sidewalk. That's good. And now, it looks busier because we are nearby the central of Ubud. So that's why it's more people here, and some shop is open. I'm gonna say sorry, brother, because the quality of camera is not really good. I just use mobile phone and not stabilizer. If you are been Ubud before, I think you will feel so stranger because it's really quiet, and before the pandemic was really busy. Super massive tourists come to this area. Actually, our government said for emergency lockdown finish on 16th of August, but we do extend it until 23 of August. So we hope on 23 is really the last for emergency lockdown, so we can be work like bit normally as before. You see left side? All the shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Oh no, it's very bad. Okay, so at the front, in the right side, there is Art Market Ubud. So if we turn right, there is Art Market of Ubud. You see there at the front? There is Palace of Ubud. Still look quiet. Okay, now we turn left and we will explore Raya Ubud Street. In this area, there is a lot of restaurant, shop, and cafe. And also we have Starbucks in the right side, and very beautiful temple. We call Saraswati Temple just beside Starbucks. Right side, there is Starbucks. Oh, there is the tourist on motorbike right side. Really happy to see that. Look a bit busy here, isn't it? Even empty on the sidewalk, but a lot motorbike parking. Oh, tourist website. And in the left side, there is junior high school. Oh, this student just finished school. You see the street left side? There is go to the Bisma street. It's very famous area because a lot of hotel there and a lot of tourists stay there. Very beautiful place because they have a lot of rice field inside. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to the Rich Walk. Very famous too. To see the jungle and sunset from the top. You see the road at the front? How beautiful it is. Very green with the big trees. Very beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Ubud area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali on August. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video for sharing information to other people. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.